case, this is a small brother.
Mm-hmm.
Other than the mosquitoes,
Uh-huh.
is there anything else that is annoying you?
Nope. I'm pretty much chilling. It's that what's annoying me is that there's not enough new music coming out at the moment. I need to be downloading music so I can be making more mixes.
So far, are you enjoying your stay?
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's an excuse. It's an excuse to just. I mean, I have mad phone withdrawals. To my family and friends, I'm alive. I'm surviving. It's annoying that I can't be doing, business and all that kind of stuff. I got a lot of stuff I'm meant to be doing, but somehow I get kidnapped and put in a house where I'm not allowed to touch my phone at all, and not communicate with anyone, which makes no sense to me because I got things to do. But other than that, it is a nice chance to kind of just reflect, get away, take some time, look through some music, and just explore things. You got to look at everything with a positive light, I feel.
You have given quite a number of clues
Mm-hmm.
while you're doing your show.
Mm-hmm.
Would you give us a recap of what you already know?
All right. So from day one, I think what we kind of could see for ourselves that we had like 3 balconies going on. We got KFC before us and behind us. Our neighbor has a red roof, and our wachi is called what again?
Wafla.
Yeah, Wafula. Yeah, I don't know, man. I keep mistaking his name. But yeah, me and Wafula, we go way back, So I think that's pretty much what we have confirmed out there. We threw another hint in a song that I played. I'm not going to mention too much about that.
In front of you, you have about 250,000 shillings.
Mm-hmm.
What is the one thing you would buy if given a chance to walk away with the money?
Man, does it have to be one thing? I had a whole answer planned out. See, what I was going to do is I'm going to rent like a pickup, right? And then go to Toy and just buy out like everything. Just re-wardrobe, stock up. 250 G's. You know how many clothes you can get with that? Just everything. Boom. Finished. Enough clothes to last me till, 2050. I'm good. No more worrying about any of that. I know Kamene wants to go on holiday, wherever. One holiday. As opposed to, I'd buy out like shoes galore. Have a new pair every day. Swagging out all day. Slay King. In the place. What do you mean? Yas.
Other than downloading music,
Uh-huh.
what other pastime are you adopting to survive staying in the house?
Let me tell you something. I'm a habitual Hearthstone player. I play games all day, every day. I know Kamena has a thing against gamers. That's fine. I play games all the time. Hearthstone is a card game. It's number 2 grossing on the Play Store. It's a huge game, and it's just like Candy Crushing as well. I would have brought my Xbox had I known. But the TV doesn't even work, so I don't know how that would have made a difference anyway. So yeah, it's pretty much just playing games and music.
Tell me one thing you do not like about your housemates.
Where do you want me to start? Where do you want me to start? Who do you want me to start with? No, I'm just playing. One thing I don't like about my housemates. It's actually really tough. I can't think of anything. Low key, I have no beef with anyone in the house, thankfully.
You spend most of your working hours with them.
Uh-huh.
You're now spending most of your extra time with them.
Clickbait. It's a big house, my friend. I can move around. I'm chilling. I keep to myself. I know how this goes. See, I'm playing the long game. I've lived around people before. The trick to it is don't always be in each other's faces. So I go to my little corner and I do my thing. When it's time to talk, we cool, we chillin'. No problems. That's how we keep it. Drama free.
What message would you give the eventual winner of the cash money?
If you're that person who already knows where we are, but's just waiting for more money, you're a terrible human being. Subjecting us to this, there's only so long before conflict eventually arises. We're kind of dandy now, but there's cracks in the wall. Okay, Kibe is a cave creature. I've come to realize, right? I don't even think his lights are on in his room. He literally just comes out, gets food, does something, then goes back to sleep. So this guy is just non-engaging. That's going to get old real quick, okay? And the problem with that is the less I see Kibe, the more Kamene comes running around trying to figure out what she wants to do because she doesn't have a book to read. So there's going to reach a point where I'm going to not be able to do my work or play my games because Kamene is going to be so bored and she's going to start bothering me. That's going to start happening within a day or two. I guarantee it. And if you're holding on to that money just to see me crack, you're a terrible human being. Stop it. Win now. Please.
What is the hashtag that people can follow this conversation?
Hashtag is Energy Takeover. You need to get on that now.
Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow at 2.
Thank you, little brother.
Energy Radio.